Welcome back YouTube, VST here, Valence Speaks Tech. What a nice surprise. Good Luck 2023. I love the design work that someone on the Good Luck team is putting up. It's really outstanding, guys. But this video is not about this. Let me show you something, guys. I'm gonna go to Live app and I'm gonna scroll down to RegiStar. And you know about the RegiStar, the very powerful Good Luck module that allows you to rearrange things like, okay, the settings options, right? But also, guys, introduce the back tap action. For example, double tap and now my phone is going to do a screenshot, okay, or triple tap and now my phone, guys, is going to open YouTube. So double tap one more time, screenshot taken, and now, guys, I am going to 1 2 3 triple time and triple tap launch YouTube. And why am I doing this video, guys? Because the RegiStar got yet another update, version 1.029. Add action option menu of back tapping function, main back tap action detection limit, and also fix the problem of automating switching of PIP when execution and action. So, guys, right now I'm inside my RegiStar. Right, so right now, guys, backup detection won't be running even though the foreground service is on. Those cases are when the battery falls beyond 15%, when the device is locked, and when the power saver is turned on. So right now, guys, I'm inside my RegiStar and I can just see I'm using the version 1.026. So the 1.029 has been released on the 11th of January and is 30 megabytes. So what I'm going to do right now, guys, I'm going to hit the update button and then we're going to go back and check this. So add action option menu of back tapping function, main back tap action detection limit. So what we're gonna do right now, guys, we're gonna go inside and just take here a screenshot, right, just to be able to compare the options. And now, without any further ado, and yeah, without observing this lag on my S22 Ultra, I'm gonna hit up the update button and then, guys, just enjoy the new update. And while I'm just updating one more time, guys, I want to show you the beautiful design work from Good Luck. Good Luck 2023. You know, they're changing it every time for a celebration like Christmas, for the Diwali, for the New Year's, and of course, yeah, introducing a new year. So let's see what the new update from Good Luck will bring. By the way, there are plenty of other Samsung stock up updates, but I'm gonna do a separate video, a January video on that one. And guys, now back inside Good Luck, go to the Live app. Now go inside RegiStar. Enjoy this fancy animation. Now also make sure that I'm running the latest version and 1.029. Let's compare. I'm now inside the back tap action. We have the option to turn it on and off. The event detection notification, which was very annoying, and in the first version of RegiStar you were not able to kind of dismiss this notification appearing all the time inside your notifications. And then we have, guys, double tap, and then we have triple tap, and then we have gates device locked. So let's just see the screenshot we just taken, guys. Inside the old version 2.6 we have on event double tap, triple tap, but okay, then the new thing here is these gates, no device locks, pause back tap when device is locked, which is actually very good, because right now what this means is, although I have kind of enabled the back tap action, guys, if my device is locked, I'm not going to use it, right? So actually this makes sense, right? Why would this kind of be running when my device is locked? Apparently I'm not using it, so I'm not able to double tap. Or what should I do this, like double tap when the phone is in my pocket? Don't think so. Also, when you're using the power saving mode, all right, so when power save mode is turned on, you can also disable the back tap and when the battery is low. Now, guys, let's test this. A triple tap will open YouTube, all right, and a double tap will create a screenshot. Okay, screenshot taken. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna go from my quick setting and turn the power saving mode on, and you can just see this here by the icon. So right now, if everything works fine, I should be, yeah, not getting any actions. Okay, triple tap not working, double tap not working. So I think, yeah, this is absolutely confirmed. I will now resume my normal operating mode, and let's just see, power saving is off. Okay, double tap. Yeah, all right, we're back, and triple tap, guys, will open YouTube. So we can safely confirm that this new gates option works, all right? And I think it makes sense. So we were able to confirm that the new gaze option works flawlessly. And the only thing that I don't really like is the way Samsung sometimes are describing their changelog, because it was not so obvious, guys, from the changelog what this kind of means. But okay, right now we know what it is. So the new update introduces you an option to artificially limit the back tap function to kind of save the battery when you don't need the phone, or when you're using the power saving and when you're low on battery. And with that said, guys, I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. If that's the case, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, guys. Stay safe, you and your families. VST over and bye.